All right, so what we're looking at here is the Pequot Lakes, Minnesota Antique Snowmobile Rendezvous. This was January 18th, 19th of 2019. Really cool show. I'd never been to one of these before. I heard on the radio on the way over here that there were about 200 of these antique sleds, and it was 25 below. I think we had the polar Arctic blast vortex or whatever they call it going on, so it was just freezing, but these things were actually running all over the place. Surprising that they could even get them started. But this goes on for the whole weekend, and there is a race that actually takes place. All the sleds got to be 1966 or older to be able to actually participate in that race, but they also give out, I think, about 6 different awards all in all, like best rat sled, best restored antique, best original, and so on. So really cool. So pause just for a second, hit subscribe, so you can see all the rest of these videos coming out throughout the rest of the year. Bookmark this for next year. Again, super cool. I would definitely recommend it. Worth checking it out. See, I told you. How cool is that? Hit subscribe.